Okay, so here is how you can set up Reaper to use any Velpro input. I've opened Reaper here, just with a single virtual instrument track that I've set to read the input from my OP1 device. If you open the Reaper preferences on the MIDI Devices section, you can see all the MIDI devices that are enabled. So you can see that here I have my OP1 enabled. I'm going to disable it, then go to Velpro, select my device and enable the device. And now if I go back to Reaper, I will be able to rescan the devices. And here you can see that there is a new device appearing. Once you close the settings and reopen them, it's called Boom Software and has Velpro OP1 MIDI device. This one I will enable. And now if I go back to my track, I should be able to select it in the list of MIDI inputs. Alright, I need to apply it first. Okay. Yeah, now here I have my new device and it's reading from my OP1 but going through Velpro for velocity transformation. So you need to make sure that the instrument you use responds to velocity. The first one I picked was a lead synth that was not responding to velocity changes, but when you select a proper instrument, this one uses strings, you can see that it now changes the velocity according to the curve I've defined. So here is basically the setup in Reaper. You really need to go through the MIDI devices in the Reaper preferences, and the name is a bit long, so you would have to enlarge this section to see the name of your device transformed by Velpro. Hope this helps. Thanks.